Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to link boards in Monday.com. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to open your browser, search for Monday.com, and sign in your account. So now, once you've done that, as you can see, I have two boards right here. The one board and the two board. Okay? So now, for example, I want to connect two board in the one board. So what you need to do is to click on the plus sign right here. You should see the connect boards option right here. So if you don't see that, just go ahead and click on more columns and search for, sorry, connect boards. Okay, so here connect data from other boards. Okay, so just go ahead and click on add to board. And this is the table for connect boards. So just go ahead and click on select boards and choose the board that you want to be linked. Okay, so you can also create a two-way connection. So here a new column will be added on each of the selected boards. Items connected in one board will automatically connected on the other board as well. Okay, so if you want that, just go ahead and check on that one and click on connect boards. So if you want to create a mirror column, just go ahead and click on create a mirror column. Okay, so now for example, you want to connect an item, so click on this one and select an item. So for example, item 3. So now as you can see that item 1 is now connected on item 3. You can also add more items just like that. So if you want to remove it, what you need to do is to uncheck that item. Okay, so as you can see, there is no item right there. Okay, and that is how you link boards in Monday.com. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.